Every year, Sunbelt Rentals provides Churchill Downs with the equipment that makes Kentucky Derby possible. This year, Sunbelt is bringing new electric units to reduce the impact of noise and air pollution on these elite athletes.
This is the greatest racetrack, Churchill Downs, the historical racetrack that runs the Kentucky Derby every year. So much excitement here, it's unbelievable.
It's quiet now. This is all going to change quickly in the next few weeks.
We have 47 stables back there. We can house as many as 1,400 horses at any one time. And the horses are coming back tomorrow, folks, and
We have already started preparing for next year's Derby and getting all this prepared to show off that first Saturday in May.
Yeah, there's a lot of activity going on right now, a lot of noise. The horses just shipped in recently. This is a new environment for them. To be honest, it's not their favorite thing.
But when you have loud, sudden sounds that they're not used to, that is what really can upset a thoroughbred racehorse.
Some racehorses, especially nervous ones, will have a companion horse. They get comfortable with that animal, and there's something about it. And trainers have told me often that companion animal will go and find the nervous horse that needs them and stay with them. They get really comfortable with that friend.
Phil's been an out riding horse for 7 years. I don't know, he likes action. Phil's job is to get next to the racehorse, calm it down, let it know everything's going to be okay, and get it back to the barn safe. He'll probably go right out here and lay down and roll again.
Horses by nature are animals of prey, so their hearing is very sensitive. We're proud that Sunbelt has partnered with Churchill to be able to try out some of their electric vehicles with us so that we can hopefully have a safer environment for our horses. Anything that we can do to reduce noise, pollution, makes their existence here more comfortable.
This year, we're making a big push to do more electric, and that is our partnership with Sunbelt. Yeah, I think it's always good when you're around horses and you're in their home to be as conscious as you can with noise so that these horses are comfortable here and it's safe.
Yeah, that makes Phil a happy horse.
You take care of the horses, they'll take care of you. You can mark that down.